How to unmute story on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unmute story on Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the menu section, just tap on settings. Now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and there you will see the option labeled as privacy and safety. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are inside the privacy and safety section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as story controls. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you will see the option labeled as stories that you have muted. So simply tap on it and there on the next section, you'll see all the stories that you have muted before. So here, if you want to unmute story, then you can just tap on unmute to that particular story or the username that you want to unmute the story from. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on show and that's it. That's how you can unmute story on Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.